Hello students. In previous videos of our English classes, we have completed almost 4 paragraphs of the lesson, The Sahnai of Bismillah Khan. I am present here again to just go and just improve the coming paragraphs, improve the qualities of coming paragraphs in the sense that I would like to make you clear just after the 5th paragraph, where we have come to know that Bismillah Khan just was taken to bed rest and he had a long session of hard working practices thereof, and he made it clear that he would do whatever he wanted. He made it also clear that he had decided and he would like to complete it without making any delay. In the last phase of the paragraph, we have come to know that he used to sit at the bank of the river Ganga and used to have his long session of hard working, just practice for a long time, and it makes it clear that he was very much dedicated and he had shown that he would do and he would make Sahnai the instrument of international scenery. The students in the coming paragraph would like to know that at the age of 14, Bismillah Khan was just accompanied his uncle to Allahabad music conference. At the end of that conference, he was appreciated, he was just loved and liked and inspired by the most loved personality of musical instrument, Ustad Fayaz Khan, who just patted him and who inspired him that one day he would become the greatest musician of the world. The students, I would like to make you aware that it was in the year of 1938 that he was given a big break in his life. It was in Lucknow that Bismillah Khan got a big break and he was the opener of All India Radio in the same year, and thereafter he never just left the chance to be there, and he always enjoyed Indian people by playing Sahnai on All India Radio. So it was a big break. The students, this question is generally asked when and how Ustad Bismillah Khan got a good break. So you should never become failure in writing the answer that it was in the year of 1938 in Lucknow that was a big break in his life, and thereafter he became a regular person who always used to be there, who always used to enjoy the Indian people by playing Sahnai, which was displayed or shown by All India Radio. The students, thereafter, it was in the year 1947 that our country became independent, that our country became just free, and he was invited by the Prime Minister, the first Prime Minister of India, to play his Sahnai at the Red Fort. It was a great achievement. The students, this was a gradual improvement in his life that he started making his career very much bona fide and very much inspired. So after 1947, he was always loved by the most important leaders of the time, including Jawaharlal Nehru and Mahatma Gandhi, who always inspired him, who always inspired Bismillah Ali Khan for his love and improving the tonal quality of Sahnai. So it was also a great achievement in his life, and it was just made by Khan Sahab. So after that, Bismillah Khan has given many memorable performance both in India and outside of the country. He was equally loved, he was equally important for Indian people as well as the people of the world. It was also his greatness, it was also his love for music that was made it clear that he was loved equally inside the country or outside the country. Once he was there in Afghanistan to play his Sahnai, and he was well respected and he was well awarded by the King of Afghanistan. He was just in position to fascinate the king of Afghan and the common people of the same country by playing his Sahnai. It was his love for his Sahnai that was also presented, that was also shown outside of the country for the first time in Afghanistan, and it was his just great achievement that he was well awarded, he was well respected, he was well just loved by the people of Afghanistan. The students, after that, he was also loved by the world of cinema, where two films are very important. I would like to quote, I would like to make it clear that it was Vijay Bhatt film, and the name of the film was Goonj Uthi Sahnai. Goonj Uthi Sahnai was the most important film of the time, and the songs of the film are still sung by the common people of our society. Goonj Uthi Sahnai was the title of the film, and it was inspired by Ustad Bismillah Ali Khan and his love for Sahnai, his love for music, his love for that I can say that musical instrument. And the second film that was in Kannada, I think it was Srinivas film, which was Kannada, just Sandhi Apna. It was just published, it was just made it clear, it was just brought before the light. And he said about these two films that he had never any interest in filmy world, but it was his love for Sahnai that was also expressed, that was also loved and liked by just the film producers, which is really evident in those films, and he also became a personality of filmy world that is loved and that is respected till today, and it is his great achievement we should never forget. So students, thank you. Wait for the next video. In that video, we will conclude the lesson along with the question answers.